Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faraz, one of the doctors working here in Australia. I recently moved from the UK, from the NHS here in the Australia. So in this video, I'm going to discuss a very important thing. If you're coming to Australia from any of the country of the world, you are going to start work. So this video is for you. So what you have to do after landing in Australia in first 28 days, you have to give your employer the TFN tax file number. If you're not gonna give your employer the tax file number, then what will happen? The tax will be deducted on a maximum percentage from your salary. Like if you have not given the tax file number to your employer, it's mean you're not registered in government documents as a taxpayer. And what will happen? They will deduct maximum percentage of tax from your salary. You have to do the online application of tax file number. Please keep in mind, it will not take long, maximum 10 to 15 minute process. And within 28 days of the online application, you will get a letter from the ATO, Australian Taxation Office, with the tax file number, and then you have to give that tax file number to your employer so they can register you as a taxpayer, and the tax deduction from your salary will be according to the criteria over here in the Australia. In this video, I'm going to share my experience and I'm going to share all the online process, which is a very simple process how you can do the online application. There are just 5 to 6 steps which you have to do, but there are three things which you should keep in your mind. These are three essential criteria to apply for the tax file number. So first of all, you should be a foreigner. You should be a foreign passport holder on any sort of visa. Number two, you should be here in Australia. You can't apply for the tax file number if you're not here, because you have to give the address, Australian address, in the tax file number application. But if you're in the UK and you want to apply for the tax file number beforehand, you can apply, but you should have an Australian address, because they will send this letter within 28 days on the given address which you will write in the online application. Number three is any sort of visa, either the PR visa, work visa, student visa, any sort of visa. Then you have to apply for the tax file number, and once you get it, give it to your employer and things will be sorted for you. So let's go to the laptop screen and I will explain everything step by step. Open any of the browser and write the ATOTFN, Australian Taxation Office tax file number, and click on the first link, tax file number, and this page will open in front of you. So you can search over here directly, or you can apply for the TFN after clicking on the link. So first of all, we are going to use the first option. So write this number which I am going to write over here. Okay, so once you will write, and it will come permanent migrants and temporary visitor TFN application. Okay, so this is the one way you can go for the TFN application. The other way is you can directly click on the apply for the TFN number. So once you will apply for the TFN number link, so you have to look for your category. So the first category over here, Australian citizen, we are not Australian. Australian resident, no. Foreign passport holders, permanent migrants, temporary visitor TFN application. So yes, this is the application which we have to do. So we will click over here. You can see permanent migrant and the temporary visitor TFN application. So here you can see this is the application which we have to do. How individual living in Australia with a valid foreign passport or the travel document apply for the TFN. So foreign passport holder, permanent migrants, or the temporary visitors located in Australia with a work rights can apply for the TFN online using the individual auto registration IAR. So you are the foreign and you have the work. If you don't have IAR, click on this blue link, download this form and fill this form, send it to ATO official address. It is free to apply for the TFN. There is no fees. To work in the Australia, you should have a valid visa, and once you have a valid visa, then what you have to do, you can apply for the TFN if you have three following conditions. Number one, you are a foreign passport holder, permanent migrant, or the temporary visitor foreign passport holder. Number two, you should be in Australia and you should have one of the following visa. It could be a permanent resident visa, it could be a visa to work here in the UK as a doctor, as a nurse, whatever your category is, an overseas student visa, a visa allowing you to stay in Australia indefinitely. So if you are fulfilling these three criteria, yes, definitely you can apply for the TFN. We have the work rights, so we will apply for the TFN in this video. So what you have to do to apply for the TFN using the IAR, you must have a valid passport or the relevant travel document. If you don't have a valid visa, you can't apply for the TFN number. So the processing time is 28 days and they will will send you this TFN number on your address. If you don't receive on 28 days, then you have to call them. Click apply online from the TFN using IAR, and this is the application page. Okay, so before you start, read this, which we have already discussed these conditions. So you can see there are 5 steps. The first step is identification, text file number, address, contact, and the summary. The first step here is the identification, and it's very clearly mentioned, like we will use the information you enter here to check your details with the Department of the Home Affairs and to confirm if you are eligible for the TFN. And they are saying enter the information exactly similar that appear on your passport or the travel document. Then you will write your passport number, expiry date, the country of the issue, and everything you will write as per your given details. Then you will write your personal details, title, family name, first name, and all the details you have to write over here, and then select next to move on the next option. Next option is text file number. So read all the information over here and answer accordingly. For me, all the questions over here are no. So if you are traveling from any of the country other than the Australia, definitely I think it will be no for you, but answer according to your situation. After answering this question, select next, and next is address. You have to give the Australian address so you can receive your text file number from the ATO within 28 days. And if your address is not, you will not receive this. So next option is contact details. They are saying please provide at least one person contact details so they can contact you if something is needed from you. You can give some other person the second person contact details as well. If you want, you can select here. Okay, so after entering the details, select next, and last option is summary. In summary, you can quickly check all your details which you have provided. If there is any mistake, you can correct it before submitting the application. So check the details, so then check the text file number answers, and then check the address. If there is any mistake, you can correct it. After that, you have to check the contact details. That is very important. There should be no mistake. It's illegal to give the false information. Then you will you will sign the declaration. Click you are not a robot, and you have signed the declaration. Okay, then you will submit the application. You can see your application is submitted, and you will be given ATO receipt ID. That is very important. You have to secure this ATO receipt ID, because if something is going to happen in future, you should have this ID. If you will not have this ID, and after this session you will not be able to see this ID, so please take a picture, take a screenshot, or download this as a PDF. You can download this for your future use. So after submitting this application, what will happen next? You will receive a letter confirming the TFN from the ATO. Okay, and you will receive this in the given address in 28 days. If you are not going to receive any letter within the 28 days, you can contact on this number, and when you will contact on this number, what they will ask about the ATO receipt ID. This is the reason I'm saying this is very important document. You can choose whether to provide the TFN to your payer. If you do not want to give the TFN to your payer within the 28 days of the starting of your job, you will be taxed on the highest rate. So this is what I told you in start. If you will not give the TFN to your employer, you will be taxed on the highest rate. That's all about the today's video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comments. You can directly message me on the Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video.